Welcome to the Map with Us video tutorial. In this episode, we're going to learn how to get started with the Map with Us iPhone application. But first, you'll need to go to the iTunes Store and download the app. To locate the application, open iTunes, navigate to the store, and search for mapwith.us. Once you have found the application, you can go ahead and install it just like you would any other application for the iPhone. Once Map with Us is on your phone, you can go ahead and open it up. Since this is the first time that we have used the application, we will need to sign in. Clicking on the Sign In button gives us three options. We can use the community account, which doesn't require signing up for an account and allows you to publish to any of the community maps, or you can use an existing account, or finally, you can sign up for a new account. Let's go ahead and sign up for a new account. The first thing we need to enter to create an account is our username. We will try MapMania. Then we can click the button to see if it is available. It is, so we can continue. If the username wasn't available, a red X would appear instead of the check mark, and we would need to try another username. We need to enter an email address. If you ever forget your username and password, you're going to need to know this, so make sure you supply a valid email address that you can remember. Next, we need to enter a password for our account. I am using password, but you should use something more secure. You will need this password again if you log out of your account on the phone, or use your username and password to log into Map with Us via the web, so make sure that you keep track of the username and password. Finally, we need to enter the text shown in the CAPTCHA. If you can't read it, the top button to the right of the CAPTCHA will refresh the text and give you new text to read. Simply enter the text shown in the CAPTCHA in the area beneath it. Finally, we need to agree to the terms and service of the site, and then click Create Account. On the next screen, we need to give permission to allow our iPhone application access to the account that we just created. To do this, select Allow. If we don't allow it, the application won't be able to add content to our maps. Now our account has been created and we are ready to start using the application. Let's take a quick look at the menus available along the bottom of the phone. The first one is the Media menu. We will use this menu to select and create content to upload to our maps. The second tab is for uploads. All of our current or recent uploads will be listed here. We haven't uploaded anything yet, so it is empty for the time being. The third tab is the Publish tab. This setting determines where our content goes. We can either upload to a map, or we can upload to a subscription service. The fourth tab is the Location tab. This setting determines where the items we upload will appear on the map. The last tab is the Help tab. If you have problems using the application, or forget what you are supposed to do next, take a look here. Now, let's get busy making our map. The first thing we need to do to make our map is to set a location. It's easy to forget to do this, but if we don't, then our map content won't be placed at the right location when we upload it. We could use the current location, but we will go ahead and add a new location. Doing this saves a location on the phone, and if we have any failed uploads, we can always retry to upload our content to this location at a later time. To add a location, click the plus symbol in the upper right corner of the screen. Next, we need to enter a title for our location. We will call it Home. Then we need to specify where our location is. We will just use our current GPS location, although we could enter it manually or type in an address. To save it, we click on Update. Now we can see our new location listed at the bottom of our location list. Next, we need to choose where we want our content to go. We can either upload our content to a new map, or we can upload it to a subscription service. A subscription service is essentially a map owned by somebody else that we can add content to once we subscribe to the service. Currently, we don't have any maps to upload to. We can click on the Subscriptions tab to see what services we are currently subscribed to. Right now, we aren't subscribed to any services. To see a listing of available services, we can click on the plus mark in the upper right corner of the screen. We see that we have one available service, Vancouver Community Parks. Selecting the service will show the plans available for that service. We can see that there is only one available plan for this service. To subscribe to it, we would just click Subscribe. We can click on Available Maps to see what maps that this plan uses. A key difference between using a map associated with a service and one of your own maps is that content that you upload to a subscription service is no longer yours. It becomes the property of the service. We would like to be able to do whatever we would like with our content. So for now, we will go back to the main Publish screen and make a map to upload our content to. We can go back by simply pressing the Publish button at the bottom of the screen. Right now we don't have any maps listed, so we will click the plus in the upper right corner of the screen to make a new map. To make a new map, we need to enter a title. We will call it MapMania's Mobile Map. Then we need to enter a description. We will put My First Mobile Map. And for keywords, we will enter mobile and map. At the bottom is a setting for whether the map will be public or not. We will leave our map as a public map so that other people can view it. Finally, we click Create in the upper right corner of the screen to create the map. Now we can see our new map is listed. In order to upload to it, we need to select it, and we can see that it is now selected. Now we have set our location, and we have chosen the map to upload to. All that is left is the part where we upload content to the map. To select our content, we need to go to the Media tab. There are three kinds of media that we can upload: photos, audio, or text. Let's do a text item first. The text item takes a title and a description. We will name our text item My First Map Item. And for the description, we will put This is text. And that is it. To upload it, just click the Upload button in the upper right of the screen. A confirmation box will pop up. We want to upload the text, so we say yes, we agree. Now we can see that there is something happening on our Uploads tab. There's a 1 on it now. We click on it and see our text item listed. It has a check mark by it, indicating that it was uploaded successfully. Now we can go back and upload a photo. We can take a photo, use an existing photo, or change the photo resolution. Let's see what the photo resolution option does. Basically, it lets you choose a resolution for photos taken with your camera. This allows you to still upload photos even if your signal strength isn't that good. Photos with lower resolution will take less time and less bandwidth to upload. For now, we'll leave the resolution where it is, at the medium setting. Let's go back to the Media tab to upload a photo. We will just use an existing photo. Once we click on that option, we'll just select a photo and confirm that we would like to upload it. We can see that our Uploads tab now has the number 2 on it. When we click on the Uploads tab, we can see our photo, and we can see that it is uploaded successfully. If the upload had failed, the photo would have a red X to the right of it instead of a check mark. Now, let's go to the site and sign in with our new account to look at our map. We navigate our web browser to mapwith.us and log in with our username and password that we created on the phone. And then click on Sign In. We can quickly see our maps by clicking on the Profile tab. On the left, we see our map listed, MapMania's Mobile Map. We'll click on that. Now we can see our map. Our map item is right in the center. We can click on it to open it. At the top of the item, we can see the text we uploaded, and right below that, we can see our photo. And that is all that it takes to get rolling with the Map with Us mobile application. We hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial. Until next time, have fun mobile mapping.